Good morning, all. Today we are going to see data visualization using Tableau. In our Tableau, the topic we are going to see that data granularity using markers. See, this data granularity refers to the level of detail in the data. Tableau allows us to control and visualize this detail using marker. Let me see how this improves the data display in the charts and dashboard. Now the data granularity, that means that what already we say that the level of depth or detail represent in data within the table. Here we are having the two types of data granularity, that is high granularity and low granularity. High granularity, which means that detailed data such as individual data and transactions we can view. That a low granularity, which shows the summarization or aggregation of the data, like total sales per region, like that. Now, we are going to see that mark cards in Tableau. See that mark card, this is what our mark card, this is holds the various things like color, size, label, detail, tooltip, path, like that we are having the many things that we can drag and drop the fields that controls the data that is appear in the visualization. Now we can drag and drop the category in the color and then the label. See, this data is grouped and display according to the selected data field. It helps the users to understand the patterns and relationship of the data. Here we are having the furniture, office supplies and technologies of the categories which shows in the different color. Now the manager is asking that the analysis report of comparing the profit and shipping cost, that the categories researched by different markets and consider the categories and priorities he is asking. Now, the data granularity, which helps that by using the shapes in the mark card, we can represent the different category so that each drag and drop the market to the shape. See here that market we are drag and drop to the shape. So the different shapes of market which is going to be appear. For example, here the markets are Africa, Asia, Europe and USA. All these things which is different shapes is appeared here. And so we can easily categorize the data by market with the help of shapes. Now we are going to do that order priority. So that order priority, we are going to drag and drop in the color as well as we keep the same market in the shape. So what it's going to be do, each priority level will appear in the different color. Then next, here we are going to see the size, the higher values of the sales or profit, which is appears in the larger markers and the lower values which is appear in the smaller. We can easily compare through this visualization. Now, the power of coloring. The way to analyze the data, we can show here. A highlighting table can show the maximum profit after the discounts, and colors helps users to quickly understand, identify the patterns and then trends. Okay, yeah, we learned that the data granularity in Tableau by using the mark card. This mark card which has helped us to do the different color, size, shape, all those things. Now let me know something through this chapter. You just read this question and answer me. Okay, what's that? The manager of the company demands of the analysis report and the number of sales generated and discount offer on the different categories of the items which fields. Market fields can be make the visualization more lucid and interactive. What will be the answer? So the answer is D. Color, size and shape. Now select the odd one out. What's that odd one here? Color, shape, legend and shape. So here the color, size and shape which is used to differentiate and we can use through the mark card. The legend is the odd one here. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys.